I know a whole lot of people have been eating popcorn or have been buying it from all these supermarkets and all, and have been wondering how popcorn is being made. Trust me, I'll be showing you how to make your popcorn in less than 5 minutes. In fact, I think 5 minutes is more, in less than 3 minutes. So just be with me in the kitchen while we do this. Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today is your favorite girl M&E. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by, for always coming to my channel to check out my content. Please always make sure to like, comment, share. I want to get every single comment in the comment section. Thank you. And now let's get into the video for today. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm already in the kitchen, so I'm sure you can guess pretty much what we'll be talking about today. Is going to be how to prepare or make something, obviously. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how to make one of my favorite snacks, and that is how to make your popcorn. Yes, let me just say this video is going to be like less than 5 minutes video on how to, did I just say 5 minutes? No, it's going to be 3 minutes video on how to make your popcorn. So be with us in the kitchen while we do this. Thank you. Our corn is a special type of corn that is used in making popcorn. You know, it's usually a little bit straight and tinier than the regular corn you find in the market, because it's not all kinds of corn you can use and make this popcorn. Just look at it very well. Let me say, sometimes you usually have something like thorn at the head here. I don't know whether this one have it. I think growing up, that's how I usually differentiate between a popcorn, but I know it's usually tiny and look like slimmer, a bit thin and straight. I don't know how to explain this, but just look at it. It's not like your regular corn. Don't go and buy the regular corn in the market, because it won't pop like the normal popcorn we all know. So this is just like our main ingredient, or the major ingredient. Then the next thing is just our groundnut oil, your sugar or salt, depending on whichever one you want to use. So I talked about oil. As you can see, this is normal vegetable oil. It's no special kind of oil, but you can decide to use any available oil apart from red oil, of course. So you can use any type of groundnut oil, be it olive oil, be it anyone, you know, some of all these light oils in the market that are very, very healthy. I think it's preferable and better to using all these butter, semas, and the rest of them. So this is just it. And remember, just as I said, keep your salt or your sugar nearby, or your saccharin, or I don't know, or anything you want to add. But of course, this is a homemade popcorn, so you don't expect me to go and start adding all these artificial sweeteners. So it's either I'm using salt or I'm using sugar. Now let's just do it. Not much, because you know I'm not making it for commercial purpose. It's just the one I want to eat at home, so I don't have to make it to be so much. So just mind the quantity you are putting, especially when you are using like a small frying pan like the one I have here. You know, when the corn begins to pop, it will really be difficult for you to control, or for you to enter the pot, or for you to enter the frying pan. So just know it that the corn really pops, so just be mindful of the quantity you put and all. So this is our corn. Now let's get to add our oil inside our frying pan. Just very small quantity, that is it. The quantity of oil you will be putting will be based on the amount of corn you have available and your size of frying pan or pot, whichever one you are using. So as you can see, my corn is very small. That is why I'm using this size of frying pan. You know, this frying pan is very small, and mind you, once it starts popping, you really have to use something very big, except you are making small quantity, just like the way I'm doing now. If not, everything will get to be a waste. So just be very mindful of the size of pot you are using and the size of corn you have available. Then it will also determine the quantity of oil you will put inside your frying pan, your pot, or whatever thing you are using. I don't know whether you have the popcorn machine, or that one is fantastic. Can you see the smoke coming out from this oil, showing that our oil is super hot? Now watch, it's time to pour in the popcorn. Can you see what's going on here? Can you see? So just as I said, it looks like the oil is much, but never to worry, that's not a problem. So now I'll have to cover it so that everything will not have to pop out. Yeah, so just watch me do that. Can you hear the sound? The very next time I'll open this, you'll be so amazed as to the outcome. Let me open it slightly to see what we have. Oh, no. See what we got. I just have to open this for you guys to see that small chocolate I put inside. Oh! At this point, you have to add your salt, your sugar, or any other sweetener you have at this point. But because this is a homemade popcorn for me, and Team Fit Farm, I'm not going to add anything to mine, but you have to add it at this point and then turn it. And as you can even see, the size of my frying pan is so small. So imagine I'm adding sweetener or something and I want to turn it, I will be unable to turn it. And remember that once you finish, just pour it out so you won't have to start burning or getting burnt. So at this juncture, we've come to the end of this video, and I like it hot, so as you can see, are you seeing? We don't have anyone like, oh, I didn't pop. Everything got popped up, like everything popped. Can you see it? So if you just finished watching this video and you feel like you like this video, please try to give it a thumbs up. And so as you can see, we have come to the end of this video and I'm ready to devour my popcorn. So make sure you try out this recipe at home and let us know the outcome. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and please don't forget to refer our page to friends. Thank you. See you guys in our next video.